Hello, welcome all. In this video we will create key constants. Okay, in previous video we have theoretically discussed the types of key constants. In this video practically we will see how many types of key constants. Okay, so first try to create not null key constant. Not null key constants means if we make any column as not null, in that column we cannot fill null value. Okay, so we cannot left that column as empty, so we have to put any of the values, it is mandatory. So how to create not null key constant? We can create not null key constant while creating the table and after creation of the table also. So first see, while creating the table how we can create not null key constant. Simply create a table, create table, table name emp underscore 010. okay, and give the name of column emp number as char 4, size is 4. okay, and here I want to give emp number as not null, so that I cannot left emp number as null, we cannot left is blank, so we cannot left it as blank, so we cannot left it as blank. So here I will give name of the column, type of column, size of column, and not null. okay, comma ename varchar 2, size must be given over there 10. So we have created only two columns for emp 010 column name. okay, and here close that semicolon and enter. Table has been created. To see the description of table, desc emp underscore 010, enter. This is description of the table, and here emp number is not null, so we cannot fill null value over there. To insert the value I can write insert into emp underscore 010 values. First try to insert null value in emp number. okay, so try to insert null and ename as Ranjan. okay, it is giving us cannot insert null into system.emp number, so we cannot insert null value over there. Now try to insert some another value. emp number is type is character, so I can give I 01. okay, so I can give I01, try to insert that value. okay, one row created successfully. okay, try to insert another value as null, try to insert ename as null, one row created. So this is also possible. okay, if you want to see the value, select star from emp underscore 010. so here we can see the value. First name is I01 Ranjan and I01 blank space. So here we can see we cannot insert null value in emp number, but we can insert duplicate values. okay, so if we don't want duplicate value, we have to make it as unique key constant. okay, before going into that, let's see another way to create not null key constraint. If we have already created the table, if you want to add constraint on the table which is already created, so let's see how we can make it as not null key constraint. Okay, so let's take any of the table. For let's see, select star from, okay, let's describe the table DESC EMP underscore x12. so this is description of the table. This is already not null. Let's take another table DESC EMP underscore 123. okay, so this is description of the table. This is name of the table, EMP number, ename, salary and DOB. These are the type of column, character, varchar2, number, and here EMP number has not been defined as not null key. If I want to define EMP number as not null key, so how we can do? So we are going to add constraint not null on already created table. Okay, so how to make it? Let's see, alter table name EMP underscore 123 EMP underscore 123, alter table EMP underscore 123, modify EMP number as number size 4, okay, and make it as not null. Okay, so table is altered. So in this way we can make already created table as not null key constraint with not null key constraint. Now in this table also we cannot insert null value in EMP number column. Okay, let's try to insert into EMP underscore 123 values EMP number, try to insert as null value null, comma, ename is varchar2. okay, so here we can write, okay, salary comma city okay, DOB December 22. Okay, enter. So it is giving me an error. What? Cannot insert null into system.emp underscore 123. Let's try to insert some another value instead of null value. Its type is number, so we can insert any number over there. So here try to insert 0402. okay, so one row created successfully. If we want to see the value, we have to select star from EMP underscore 123. okay, so here we can see one row has been inserted successfully. Okay, so in this way we can create not null key constant. On the same way we can create unique key constants also. Okay, so there are also again there are two ways to make any column as unique. Okay, while creating the table and after creation of the table. So let's try to create unique key a table with unique key constants. Okay, so create table, give table name any name, my emp underscore 0001. Okay, and here we can give emp number as number, size should be given over there. Okay, and unique. Okay, and ename varchar 2 size 20. Okay, close that. Table has been created with unique key constant, so we cannot insert duplicate value in emp number. Okay, let's see the description of table. desc my emp underscore 0001. Okay, so this is description of the table. Okay, where emp number and ename. Okay, emp number as number 10 and ename has varchar 2 and 20. Okay, so if you want to insert the duplicate values, let's see what happened. And Mohan, just change the name. Here we can write Balakrishna. Okay, insert into my emp 001 and I am inserting duplicate value. Okay, on emp number. Here 30 is already available and I want to insert another 30 over there, and I have changed the name. So it is giving me an error that unique constraint on system dot my emp underscore 001. So in my emp 001 I cannot insert duplicate values. Okay, if I will change the value. Okay, if here I will write 50, then it is possible, one row has been created. If I want to see the value, select star from my emp underscore 0001. So these are the values inserted, but ename we can insert duplicate name with ename. Okay, so instead of 30, just write here 70 and let it be Balakrishna. Balakrishna is already available ename, but we didn't make it as unique key constant. So is it possible to insert duplicate values in ename? So it is possible. Okay, let's select star from my emp 001. So we can insert duplicate values over there. So if I define any column as unique key, we cannot insert duplicate values on that particular column. So in this way we can define unique key constant. Okay, so let's try to alter the table which are already created and try to apply unique key constant. Okay, suppose we have table desc emp under, we have table emp underscore 1 2 3. So description of emp underscore 123, emp number is not null, ename, salary and ct dob. So let's try to update that table. So try to alter table emp underscore 123, add unique emp number. I want to make emp number act as unique key constant. Okay, table has been altered. Okay, so let's try to insert duplicate values in emp underscore 123. Let's try to select star from emp underscore 123. Okay, there is already one value 402. Let's try to insert another 402. Insert into emp underscore 123, emp underscore 123. Okay, 402 is already available. Let's try to insert duplicate value and try to change another value. Okay, and here we can write let's try to change this with Jan 2020. Okay, so here I want to insert duplicate value on unique key constant defined column. Okay, so this is unique key constant defined column emp number, and I want to insert duplicate values. So here it is giving me unique constants. Okay, so let's try to change that value and let it remaining thing will be same with 403. Okay, one row created successfully. Let's try to see the value. Select star from emp underscore 123. So here we can see how unique key constants work. So if we define any column as unique key, we cannot add duplicate values over there. Okay, now try to create some primary key constant. Okay, so try to create a table with primary key constant. Okay, name xyz w. Okay, xyz w underscore 1, enter. Okay, enter, 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 and this is name of the constant. Okay, we just changed the name of table because this table is already available with us. Okay, enter, and table created successfully. Let's try to see the description of table. DESC XYZW underscore 1, and here we can see emp number and ename. Emp number has been defined as not null because we have defined emp number as primary key, so we cannot insert duplicate values on emp number, and we cannot insert null values over there. Let's try to insert the value. Insert into XYZW underscore 1 values, emp number, try to insert null value. Okay, and ename, try to insert ename as Sagar. Okay, so it is giving me an error, cannot insert null into system.xyzw_1. Okay, let's try to change the value. Instead of null, try to insert some another value. Insert type is number, so we can insert any number of our choice. Okay, 420. Okay, one row created successfully. Okay, try to see the table. Select star from xyzw_1. So one row has been created. Okay, now let's try to insert duplicate value on the column 420 with Sagar. Let's write here Ayush. Okay, so it is unique constant system.pk.emp_emp number. So it is giving me name of the constant also. So this is name of my constant, so it is piloted. So we cannot insert duplicate values and null values on the emp number column, so we have defined as primary key constant. Okay, so let's try to change that. 421, one row created. Now select star from xyz w_1. Okay, so we have inserted two values over there. Let's try to make primary key in table level key constant. Okay, so alter table, using alter table in any of the key constant. Let's see any of the key constant which are not defined as primary key. What are the column we have, what are the table we have. Select star from tab. So these are the system tables which we have available. Okay, take any of the table. Take any of the table. Let's take any of the table. Let's take table xyz. Okay, now select star from xyz. So this is another table. Let's take another table semp. Okay, now DESC SEMP. Let's see the description of SEMP. EMP number has varchar 2. Okay, ename has varchar 2 and salary has number and commission. Okay, now let's update. Okay, alter table SEMP. Okay, add constraints. Name of the constraint. Okay, for SEMP table I want to make primary key. Okay, and for the column EMP number, so I have given any random name. This is good naming convention. Okay, and I want to give primary key on the table. Write the name of table inside small parenthesis. emp number, enter. Okay, table has been altered. Now let's see the description of table DESC So emp number is not null over there, so we have defined emp number as not null, it is primary key. So here in SEMP we cannot insert duplicate values and null values also. Okay, so how to drop that primary key? If we have created with primary key name, we can easily drop that.